welcome back. Today we'll talk about Hack the Box, an online experience to break into vulnerable machines. This way, people get a hands-on approach to pen testing and cybersecurity without having to use real targets. As usual, the first step will be to connect to OpenVPN. Then, we start the machine in order to access its IP address. We can start answering some of the basic questions. Once we are ready to start pen testing the machine, we start by using the ping command to test the network and make sure it's communicating. For task number 7, it's asking what version is FTP running in the machine. For that, we need to use nmap. Write the command nmap-s B. That way, nmap will perform version detection of the services running on the open ports. Then, we type -s C to perform a script scan. Finally, we type nmap-v to access verbose mode and print additional information. For example, it prints out the time when each port scan is started along with the number of hosts and ports scanned. The results will show port 21 open as the FTP service. Also, the version information we are looking for, VSFTPD303. Scrolling down on the terminal, we can find the OS version running on the machine, in this case, Linux. In some cases, the scan might not show the operating system we are looking for. In that case, we can type the command nmap-O. Now, we need to capture the flag for our main and last task. Keep in mind that the only avenue that we have to attack this machine is the open port 21. On that line below, it shows that FTP login anonymous is allowed through FTP code 230. Open a new terminal and write FTP followed by the machine's IP address. Next, type anonymous as the username and hit enter for a blank password. have now an FTP shell that we can interact with. List the files using the command ls. It shows that we have access to read and write a file called flag. Next, type the command get, since it's a file transfer service, followed by flag.txt. Now type exit. Finally, list your home directory. You'll see a flag text file. Write the command cat flag.txt, and that's it. You can now grab the flag and paste it on the last task.